Fifth Tuesday, Saint Teresa of Calcutta, Jesus, the Holy One of God. Be silent and come out of him. Today, the Mother Church celebrates the feast of Saint Teresa of Calcutta. She joined the Sisters of Loreto at the age of 18. After a few months of training and learning, she was sent to India and took her initial vows as a nun on May 24, 1931. She started teaching at St. Mary's High School in Calcutta, and along the way she showed much love and compassion to the people suffering and dying of hunger. In 1948, under the permission of her superior, she left her congregation and committed herself to work for the homeless. She fully relied on divine providence. On October 7, 1950, she founded her own order, the Missionaries of Charity. The primary mission of this order is to love, serve, and care for those who have no one to look after them. She totally dedicated her life to serve and caring for the poor. Though her selfless service, she has established the kingdom of God, which is inclusive and universal. In the first reading, St. Paul assures that God has destined us that through His Son we have salvation. God reveals Himself in the person of Jesus, and through Him we become part of the kingdom of God. In today's Gospel, we find that Jesus speaks with authority and has the power of love to fight against evil. We need to inculcate the spirit of believing in Jesus, the Messiah. Prayer and practice. Dear Lord, bless with your love and grace, so that we too possess the passion for fighting against evil and serving others with love like Mother Teresa.